Looking for a reliable front and rear dash camera on Amazon US? Today, we're checking out a popular option that delivers full HD video, impact detection, parking mode, and more, all at around $79. Let's dive in. This dual dash cam system includes a front camera and rear camera. It records in full HD resolution, captures clear video even at night, and includes a G sensor that automatically saves footage if an impact is detected. The front camera records in 1080p, which is more than enough to capture license plates and road signs clearly. Users on Amazon say the night vision performs well in low light, making it suitable for city and highway driving. One of the most useful features is the G sensor. If your car experiences a sudden bump, the camera automatically locks the recording so it doesn't get overwritten. Parking mode lets the camera monitor your vehicle while parked. Installation is straightforward. Mount the camera, run the cable discreetly, and plug it into your car's power outlet. Users describe the setup as simple, even for first-time dashcam buyers. Pros: front plus rear cameras, full HD quality, G sensor and parking mode, affordable price around $79. Some users reported hard-to-read instructions. Mount quality could be better. For drivers in the US who want an affordable and reliable dash camera with dual coverage and useful safety features, this model is worth considering, especially for under $80. Let me know in the comments if you want comparison videos with other US dash cams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon gadget reviews.